The Ultra Drain Guard is a stormwater management product designed to be placed inside of storm drains so that dirt, sediment, debris, oil, and other pollutants are removed from water flow. Generically referred to as catch basin inserts, the Ultra Drain Guards are a simple yet effective solution to the ongoing challenge of pollution being washed down the drain and into a stormwater system where 80% of drains go directly to a body of water without treatment. The standard or original Ultra Drain Guard is available in 3 different models: Oil and Sediment Plus, and Trash and Debris. The installation process for all 3 is the same. Lay the drain guard down flat next to the drain. Lift the grate from the drain and place it squarely on top of the drain guard. Using clips, clamps, or tape, secure the drain guard to the grate. Lift the grate and the drain guard together and replace the grate in the catch basin, making sure to pinch the drain guard between the drain opening and the grate. If a cleaner, more finished installation is desired, any excess material can be trimmed using a pair of scissors or a utility knife. Once the oil and sediment drain guard is installed, the heavy-duty geotextile material acts as a filter, removing oil, grease, dirt, sediment, and trash from stormwater entering the drain. The Oil and Sediment Plus model has additional oil and hydrocarbon absorbing capacity because of these absorbent material clusters. They use a material called Ultra Hy-Tex, a 100% recycled material that has the unique ability of very quickly absorbing oils while allowing large volumes of water to pass through. The Trash and Debris model starts with the same geotextile material for the skirt, but the body of the unit uses a mesh material that allows more to pass through while catching larger pollutants such as paper wrappers, cans, cups, and cigarette butts. All models of Ultra Drain Guard are designed with overflow ports. These ports allow water to pass through untreated in the case of a very significant amount of rainfall in a short amount of time, or with the drain guard that has not been replaced when it's reached capacity. When a drain guard is full and needs to be replaced, first pull the handling straps through the grating and place a piece of rebar, steel rod, or sturdy tool handle through the straps. Alternatively, the drain guard can be installed using drain guard retainers. These go through the handling straps and rest on the lip of the basin. This will prevent the drain guard from falling to the bottom of the catch basin when the grate is lifted up. Drain guards can hold up to 40 pounds of sediment and other pollutants, so proper caution should be taken when lifting the full drain guard and the grate out at the same time. This may require specialized lifting equipment. Once the unit has been removed, it can be emptied and reused if desired. Drain guards that are not reused should be disposed of in accordance with the local regulations and requirements. The adjustable frame model Ultra Drain Guard uses the same fabric and construction as the standard model. But instead of a one-size-fits-all fabric skirt that gets pinched between the grate and the catch basin opening, it uses a steel framework that adjusts to fit the opening. This offers 2 benefits. First, it makes for a quicker, easier, cleaner installation. And secondly, the frame ensures that the drain guard remains in place with or without the grate installed. When it's time to replace the drain guard, you can reuse the frame and just change out the fabric portion. Similar in function to the adjustable frame model, the Ultra Drain Guard Economy Frame model adjusts to fit most catch basins. The smaller gauge steel frame can expand or contract depending on the size of the drain opening, and is strong enough to help contain the heaviest of loads, but is not designed to be reused. In recent years, heavy metals in stormwater have become much more of a concern. The presence of zinc, lead, aluminum, copper, and other metals present a significant environmental challenge. The heavy metal model drain guard is specifically engineered for the removal of metals. A non-permeable PVC skirt ensures that all the water that enters the drain is funneled into the body of the unit. Pouches of specialized filter media are sewn into the body of the drain guard and remove heavy metals from the water flow as it passes through. Ultra Drain Guard catch basin inserts are a simple, easy to install, and effective solution to removing many different types of pollutants from stormwater. In this video, we have covered some, but not all of the different models.